3, 2, 1.
If particles have enough kinetic energy to completely overcome the force of attraction between them, matter exists as a what? The answer is A, gas. Which theory proposes that people learn through associations? The answer is C, behaviorism. What actor starred as Captain Stephen Hiller in the 1996 science fiction movie Independence Day? The answer is A, Will Smith. What is a type of chair with a high back and arms that provides support for the head, back, and arms? The answer is C, rocker. What term describes the long-term, predictable atmospheric conditions of a specific area? The answer is C, climate. What can run but never walks, has a mouth but never talks, and has a head but no body?
The answer is D, time.
In science, what do you call something that always applies under the same conditions? The answer is A, scientific law. I'm filled with lines, yet nothing is written. What am I? The answer is A, eraser. What is the name of the nanny Rachel's had as a child in the popular sitcom Friends? The answer is C, Mrs. H. Higher temperatures increase the rate of reaction in a lot of chemical reactions because they increase the frequency of what interaction between reactant particles? The answer is B, collisions. Which material is used to make denim from? The answer is A, cotton wool. Who was the last Roman emperor before Rome's fall? The answer is D, Romulus Augustus. What is the fabric of a denim jacket made from? The answer is C, cotton. Which nut is a legume? The answer is A, peanut. I have many pockets and you can't buy food with me. What am I? The answer is A, backpack. Which law states that every object persists in its state of rest or uniform motion in a straight line unless acted upon by a net force? The answer is B, Newton's first law. What is the study of the nature of logic called? The answer is B, logic. Who was the first man to climb Mount Everest twice? The answer is D, Reinhold Messner. The xylophone sound is made by striking which type of material? The answer is A, wood. Which beetle was born in Liverpool? The answer is D. John. I'm a giant's playground where echoes often dance. What am I? The answer is C. A forest. The Large Hadron Collider is the biggest type of what invention, which boosts particles to high energies? The answer is A. Particle accelerator. What can happen at any time but is never anticipated? The answer is A. The future. The movie Grease, directed by Randall Kleiser, takes place in what year? The answer is D. 1959. Which TV show is set in a dystopian future where citizens are given numbers instead of names? The answer is C. The Handmaid's Tale. The chemical behavior of elements can largely be explained by what? The answer is D. Electron configurations. When conducting a laboratory experiment, which action could be an unsafe practice? The answer is D. Smell the chemicals that are being mixed. What keeps the Earth in orbit around the Sun? The answer is D. Sun's gravitational pull. What source of ocean pollution kills animals by coating them? The answer is A. Oil spill. In what type of rock would a geologist most likely find evidence of ancient life? The answer is A. Sedimentary. Through a process called electromagnetic induction, generators change what energy form of a spinning turbine to electrical energy? The answer is A. Kinetic. Who voices Agnes Skinner and Lindsay Neagle in Matt Groening's animated sitcom The Simpsons? The answer is B. Tress MacNeille. I remember all my past, yet forget nothing. What am I? The answer is A. Brain. With which sport would you associate Colin Montgomerie? The answer is C. Golf. The 1985-86 season in the NBA championship saw what number title for the Boston Celtics? The answer is D. 16th. What color is Michelangelo's David primarily? The answer is D. Marble white. Which term refers to a figure where all sides and angles are equal? The answer is C. Square. I am the beginning, middle, and end of every story. What am I? The answer is D. Narrative. What does GDP stand for? The answer is A. Gross domestic product. Who is the singer of Bohemian Rhapsody? The answer is B. Freddie Mercury. Both mitosis and meiosis result in eukaryotic cells doing what? The answer is B. Dividing. What musical instrument made jazz performer Lionel Hampton famous? The answer is D. Vibes. What is the state of H2O at room temperature and pressure? The answer is C. Solid. Sawyer is initially seen reading what book? The answer is C. Watership Down. What is the title of the short story on which the movie Memento is based? The answer is B. Memento Mori. What helps represent age-sex structure of the population? The answer is A. Population pyramid. What happened during the second period of Game 4 of the 1988 Stanley Cup Finals between the Boston Bruins and the Edmonton Oilers? The answer is C. The lights went out. Leaf cells are one type of tree cell. Which process occurs in a growing leaf cell? The answer is C. Sugar production. Which character on Buffy the Vampire Slayer was originally a ball of green energy known as the Key? The answer is B. Dawn. I start with N, end with E, and every single day I grow longer. What am I?